Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things beauty and personal care. Today, we've got an exciting review for you. We'll be taking a deep dive into the OGX Frizz-Free plus Keratin Smoothing Oil Conditioner, a true game-changer for those with rebonded hair. If you've been searching for the perfect conditioner to keep your locks smooth, frizz-free, and shining, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with an overview of this amazing product. Here we have the OGX Frizz-Free plus Keratin Smoothing Oil Conditioner, a 5-in-1 wonder that's specially designed for frizzy hair. It comes in a striking red bottle with 385 milliliters of liquid gold inside. Now, you might be wondering, why is this the best conditioner for rebonded hair? Well, let me break it down for you. First and foremost, this conditioner is infused with keratin, argan oil, and ceramides, three powerful ingredients known to strengthen hair, improve flexibility, and protect against humidity. If you've had your hair rebonded, you know how important it is to keep it in top shape. The OGX Frizz-Free plus Keratin Smoothing Oil Conditioner does just that. All while avoiding that greasy, heavy feeling that some conditioners can leave behind. Just take a look at the before and after results. This conditioner tames frizz, leaves your hair shiny, and helps maintain that sleek, rebonded look. Let's talk about the sensory experience. The OGX Frizz-Free plus Keratin Smoothing Oil Conditioner has a delightful scent, a combination of tropical orange, island pineapple, and golden amber. It's like a mini tropical vacation every time you use it. Now, when it comes to application, it's super easy. After shampooing, apply the conditioner generously to your wet hair. Allow it to absorb for 3 to 5 minutes, a perfect excuse for a mini spa moment, and then rinse thoroughly. And there you have it, folks. The OGX Frizz-Free plus Keratin Smoothing Oil Conditioner is a game-changer for anyone with rebonded hair. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovering the best keratin conditioner for rebonded hair. If you've tried this product or have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more beauty and personal care reviews. Until next time, stay beautiful.